Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove CMS from Framer. Whether you're cleaning up unused collections or simplifying your site structure, knowing how to delete CMS elements properly will help you maintain a cleaner, more organized workspace. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to framer.com. Once you're there, log in to your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Framer dashboard where all your projects are displayed. From here, you'll be able to access the specific website where you want to remove CMS content. Once you're on the dashboard, locate and click on the project or website where you want to remove the CMS. This will open up your site in the Framer editor. You might need to wait a moment for everything to load, especially if it's a larger project with multiple pages and collections. Now, on the left side of your screen, make sure you're on the Pages tab. This is where you can manage all the pages connected to your CMS. To remove a CMS connected page, simply click the three dots beside the page you want to delete. From the menu that appears, select Delete. A confirmation message will pop up to make sure you really want to remove this page. Go ahead and click Delete again to confirm. This step ensures you don't accidentally remove important pages from your site. Next, let's move to the CMS collections themselves. At the top of your screen, click on CMS. This section is where all your collections are stored, and it's the hub for managing your dynamic content. Here, you can delete individual items or entire collections depending on what you need to clean up. To delete a single item from a collection, first locate the collection you're working with. At the top of the collection view, click Select. This allows you to choose specific items. Click the checkbox beside the item you want to delete, then click the Delete button at the top. This removes just that one entry while keeping the rest of your collection intact. If you want to remove an entire collection, the process is just as straightforward. Simply click the three dots beside the collection name and select Delete from the menu. A confirmation message will appear to double-check your decision. Click Delete again to permanently remove the entire collection from your site. And that's it. You've successfully removed CMS elements from your Framer site, giving you a cleaner workspace and better control over your content structure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.